Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the color of your eyes by adding contact lenses, inserting a reflection to your eyes, or enlarging your irises for a striking look on the Facetune application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and tap on a picture that you want to edit. Now you should slide to the right side of the screen until you find this eyes button, so tap on it. And then you should zoom in, tap on the colors button, and as you can see, it will allow you to change the color of your eyes on your selfie. If you tap on the rainbow button, you can customize and select your own color. If you are done with it, you should tap on the screen. You can also choose from these preset options, and you can adjust it by the help of the slide. As you can see, it will change the color of your eyes. You can also put contact lenses in. You can choose from a bunch of colors here. You can add the reflection to your eyes. You have a bunch of options, and you can adjust it by the help of the slide. You can also whiten to enhance the white in your eyes, and you can make your iris bigger as well. And if you have a red eye, you can remove it by this slide as well. If you zoom out, you can see how the result looks like. And if you are satisfied with it, click on the check mark icon down below to save your changes. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.